not the least, Tobias Zofia Gandhi with honors. Zofia is also Batang Magalang Awardee, Enthusiastic Learner, Golden Heart Awardee, Sunshine Awardee, and Exuberant Heart Awardee. I request Marites Mayo to assist the parents. Sagasius Gail P. Barceliano is also Extra Minor Awardee, Peacekeeper Awardee, Tenacious Striver, Eager Beaver, and Golden Heart Awardee. May I ask the parents? I request Violeta Tomas.